So today we're at Batu Caves here just outside of Kuala Lumpur. This is a place I've been wanting to go to for quite a while. But I'll tell you, that sun, it is 9:20 in the morning and that sun is already pretty intense. And I know when we get there, there's a lot of stairs to climb. But we'll continue on. Lots of monkeys. If you don't know, this is a Hindu temple. From what I understand, the most revered Hindu temple outside of India. I like the big eagle. It's nice. I don't know if monkeys that size would try to steal a coconut. It's starting to get busy out there. Oh my God, look at the pigeons. Oh, look at all the fish. Well, that was fun. I just wish there was a little bit more sunlight on the water, a little less glare. So you could have got a real good view of the fish. See over there where the main temple is going to be, or where the cave is. Souvenir shops, like every tourist place. I think that I'm going to go inside here briefly. Get my shoes off. Hopefully when I come back they will still be there. Yes. Too many pigeons. Batu Caves, sponsored by Pepsi. Wasn't expecting that. Walk around just a little bit more before we go in. Yeah, look at them steps. That is going to be a long climb. Okay, I knew there'd be monkeys. I didn't know there was going to be this many monkeys. Restaurants, souvenir shops. I wanted to come about 7 a.m., but it was raining, and I kind of messed around and waited too long. I took a grab here from downtown Kuala Lumpur, and I tell you, taxis are cheap here. It was 14, I think it was 14 kilometers, and it was $4.76. So you don't get deals like that many places. There it is. My understanding is there are 272 steps, steep steps. These decorations are pretty amazing. Monkeys are up here hoping somebody will feed them. I wonder which one of these are the slow lane. That's the one I need. Well, if it wasn't, it is now the slow lane. You can check out the view here. It's pretty nice so far. I'm sure up top it's going to be a lot better. We're almost there. See the city of Kuala Lumpur in the background. So the last few steps. I made it. I don't know how, but I made it. There's the view. Well, let's go see what's in here. We're done with the job of restocking these places every day. Okay, handrail covered in pigeon poop. Hey, I know this place is free, but with a little work, this place could be even more amazing. And yes, you heard me right. Admission is free. I was surprised too when I first found out. Looks like they're expanding a little bit.
सगळ्यांनी उभं राहून दिलं. हो देसले थांबा ना. थांबा मला कपडे मारणार नाही तुझ्याला.
I am not going to go in. I don't want to take my shoes off, and they may not allow video anyhow. You would think in a cave it would be a little cooler. It's not. It's extremely humid and hot. I think it's definitely more humid here than outside. And it may be more hot. I know that I am sweating a lot, which is not unusual for me. Okay, more steps. Let's do it. So here's the view from the top of this set of steps. Very nice. And here is what's up here. Big opening in top. Not what you expect.
Okay, let me video one more time.
Seems like I'm breathing hard because I am. Hot, humid, and a lot of steps. Well, look at this. This is truly amazing. It was worth coming up here for. I would highly recommend it for anybody coming to Kuala Lumpur or even Malaysia. Entrance is free. Taxis are cheap. Monkeys seem to be plentiful, just like the pigeons. Everybody's complaining about being hot and sweaty, so it's unavoidable here. Hindu people coming to pray. And actually, I think a few non-Hindu also. I know some people will go pray at any temple regardless of the religion. So I don't have a problem with that. One more time. Just look at that view. That is so amazing. Not many places you get to see something like that. So that's pretty much, what's here. We'll go back down to the lower level again. Then go outside and see what they have. Okay. I'll see you at the bottom.